One important question in the field of technology policy in India is about checks and balances. What kind of data should the government have about us? What kind of surveillance powers should the government have over us? What are the new kinds of harm that come about when governments use technologies in a certain way? There is also one big concern about the use of modern computer technology and the legibility of our lives. The way our lives are laid bare to the government. Beyond the policy conversation, I think we also need laws for the deployment of AI based systems to comply with Supreme Court requirements under the right to privacy judgment for specific use cases such as facial recognition. A lot of police departments and a lot of state governments are using this technology, and it comes with error rates that have very different manifestations. This may result in exclusion, harassment, etc. So there needs to be a level of restraint. We should start paying greater attention to the conversations happening in Europe around AI and the risk assessment approach adopted by regulators in Europe and other foreign countries, as it may serve as an influential model for us. Coming to competition, I am not that worried about the presence or absence of competition in this field because, on a global scale, it appears that there are many players. Already, we can see OpenAI and Microsoft collaborating on one line and attack. We can also see Facebook, which is now called Meta, building in this space. And of course, we have a giant and potentially the best in the game, Google. And there are at least 5 or 10 others. This is a nice reminder of the extent to which technical dynamism generates checks and balances of its own. For example, we have seen how ChatGPT has raised a new level of competitive dynamics around Google search. 1 year ago, we would have said that the world has a problem because Google is the dominant vendor among search engines. And that was true for some time. Today, suddenly, it seems that this game is wide open all over again. It suddenly looks like the global market for search is more competitive than it used to be. And when it comes to the competition between Microsoft and Google on search, we in India are spectators. I don't see a whole lot of value that can be added in India, so I don't get excited about appropriating jurisdiction. When it comes to issues such as what the Indian police do with face recognition, nobody else is going to solve it for us. We should always remember India is a poor country where regulatory and state capacity is very limited, so the work that is done here will generally be of low quality. Over.